In this video, we begin the setup for line crossing on the ENS Titanium system. We will configure the detection rules and link them directly to both event-based recording and immediate push notifications. Start by logging into your recorder and selecting Settings. Click on AI Event from the main menu. On the right-hand side, select Enable Event. This central switch activates the AI engine for your cameras. Ensure Smart Event is toggled on. This is a vital first step, so remember to click Apply to save your settings. Now return to the AI Event menu and select Parameter Detection, and then click the Line Crossing tab. Select the camera you wish to configure from the list and check the box to enable line crossing detection. This system allows you to create up to 4 independent line crossing triggers on a single camera, perfect for monitoring multiple entry points. For this demonstration, we will configure 2 separate lines. Click the Direction tab. Here you define the direction of travel that will trigger the alarm. You can choose one-way travel from A to B or B to A, or for a comprehensive coverage, select both directions. We'll choose the latter for this example. Let's draw the first line. Position your cursor for the starting point. Click and hold the left mouse button. Drag it to the end point and release to set the line. Place this across a crucial pathway like a driveway or a gate. To select your second trigger, simply select line number 2 from the list and repeat the drawing process for a new area. Next, under the Target tab, you can make the detection even smarter by telling it what to look for. Selecting people ensures the camera will focus on human movement, reducing false alarms from animals or swaying trees. You can adjust the sensitivity sliders now, or we recommend testing first and fine-tuning them after for optimal performance. Now click on the Trigger Mode tab. This is where we tell the system exactly what to do when someone crosses the line. Here you can select and configure different types of notifications and actions. If you have an active deterrence camera, you can enable the red and blue warning lights and the siren to scare off an intruder by checking these options. In the Record column, click the Configure button and ensure the camera you are setting up is selected to record when the line is crossed. Once you've selected your desired actions, click Apply when done. Next, we'll set up recording. To configure how the system records AI events, navigate to the top of the menu and select Record. By default, the mode is set to Auto. If you do not need a custom schedule, click the Advanced button. Here, select AI Record to configure the system to record only when smart events are triggered. This is the most storage-efficient option. Click Add. A configuration window may appear. You can change the settings like video quality here, but if no changes are needed, simply click OK to continue. If you want the security of continuous recording while still flagging AI events, click Advanced again and select Always 24/7 Record, and then click Add. You will now see both recording modes active. Click Apply when you are done. If you want a customized schedule instead of 24/7 recording, select Customization under the Mode drop-down. Next, click Schedule Management. Click Add to create a new schedule, and start by giving your schedule a descriptive name. Next, simply click and drag on the time bar to select the specific time frame for recording. The selected time will turn blue. To apply the same schedule to multiple days, click Copy to and select the desired days. This saves you from having to manually configure the same times for every single day. Once you're finished, click OK to save your custom schedule. Here you should see your custom schedule displayed. Click Close. Under AI Record Schedule, you can assign your custom schedule. Use the Master drop-down to apply it to all cameras at once, or select individual cameras for more precise control. When you are done, click Apply to save these settings. To configure push notifications, Click on AI event at the top, then select Event Notification, and click Push. Check the box to enable and select a schedule for when you want to receive alerts and click Apply. Now head back to Motion under General Event. For each camera, ensure that the status under Push says On. If it does not, go ahead and enable it. Click Apply when you're done. You're all set. Your system will now record based on motion and send instant alerts directly to your phone. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to our technical support team. We are always here to help.